Kazakhstan, the world's most underrated country for jobs, study, and relocation. Have you ever noticed something? Every day, thousands of people wake up searching. How can I leave my country? Where can I get a job? Which country pays well? Where can I study? How can I relocate with my family? Most people immediately think about Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, Australia, the United States. But today, I'm glad to introduce you to a country that very few people are talking about. Yet, thousands of international workers and students are quietly moving there every year, back to back. That country is what? Kazakhstan. And by the end of this video, you will understand why this country deserves such attention. Who is Kazakhstan? Kazakhstan is the largest landlocked country in the world. It sits between Europe and Asia, making it an important bridge for trade, transport, logistics, energy, and international business. Its capital is Astana. The country has a population of around 20 million people. It is politically stable compared with many countries in the region and has invested heavily in infrastructure, education, digitalization, and foreign investment in recent years. Why is everyone starting to notice Kazakhstan? Because opportunity usually appears where competition is still low. Many people are chasing the same countries. Very few are looking where the next opportunities are emerging. Kazakhstan has become an increasingly important destination for international investment, manufacturing, logistics, mining, renewable energy, agriculture, technology, and higher education. Its location makes it strategic hub connecting China, Europe, Russia, and Central Asia. The economy of Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan has one of the largest economics in Central Asia. Key facts include GDP of over 300 billion US dollar. Nominal recent estimates. Strong exports of oil, natural gas, uranium metals, and agricultural products. Ongoing investment in transport corridors, logistics, and industrial diversification. Government initiatives to attract foreign investment and modernize the economy. While energy remains important, the government has also been encouraging growth in technology, manufacturing, finance, tourism, and digital services. Salaries. Many people ask, what is salary range in Kazakhstan? The answer depends on your profession. Approximately monthly salaries can range from entry-level roles, 400 US dollar to 700 US dollar. Skilled workers, 700 US dollar to 1,005 US dollar. Engineers, IT professional managers, and specialists ranges from 1,005 US dollar to 3,000 plus US dollar. Certain expatriate and multinational positions can pay importantly more. Although average salaries are generally low down, in countries like Canada, Germany, the cost of living is also substantially lower. So purchasing power can be attractive for some workers. Cost of living. One reason Kazakhstan attracts many people is affordability. Compared with many Western countries, rent is generally low. Public transportation is affordable. Utilities are reasonably priced. Groceries can be less expensive depending on imported goods. Many universities also offer comparatively affordable tuition. Healthcare. In Kazakhstan has expanded its healthcare system in recent years. Residents have access to public healthcare, and private healthcare is available in major cities such as Astana and Almaty. Many expatriates choosing private health insurance for additional flexibility and shorter waiting times. Life expectancy. Life expectancy has improved over time and is now in the low of 70s on average, reflecting improvement in healthcare and living standards. Crime. People often ask, is Kazakhstan safe? Like any country, safety varies by location. Overall violent crime rates are relatively low, though petty thefts can occur in busy urban areas. Most visitors and expatriates report feeling comfortable when taking normal precautions. Education. Kazakhstan has invested significantly in higher education. The country welcomes international students. Programs are offered in English, Russian, and Kazakh at several universities. Many students choose Kazakhstan because tuition is often affordable. Living costs are moderate. Universities increasingly collaborate with international institutions who should consider Kazakhstan. If you are looking for an international work experience, interested in studying abroad, planning a business expansion, exploring opportunities in logistics, engineering, agriculture, mining, energy, education, and technology, seeking a country with lower living costs than many Western destinations, then Kazakhstan may be worth searching as part of your international plans. The real reason and the real lesson: sometimes opportunity is not hidden, it's simply overlooked. While everyone is looking in one direction, another door quietly opens somewhere else. Success often belongs to the people who discover opportunities before everyone else notices them. That doesn't mean Kazakhstan is the right choice for everyone, but it may be a strong option depending on your goals, qualifications, and immigration pathway available to you. If you are considering employment opportunities, international study, business relocation, traveling guidance, career planning abroad, our team at TD Travel and Logistics can help you understand the available pathways, required documentation and application processes based on your individual circumstances. Send us a direct message or visit our office to discuss your options and begin your journey. If this video has opened your eyes to opportunities you hadn't considered before, subscribe, like and share it with someone who is exploring life abroad. And tell me in the comment section, would you relocate to Kazakhstan if you had the right job offer? Why or why not? The conversation may help someone else make a more informed decision. Make a decision now and contact us.